Says find the exact value of sine of 5 pi over 12 using the fact that 5 pi over 12 is equal to pi over 6 plus pi over 4. So we're looking for sine of 5 pi over 12. But 5 pi...
like our A's and B's right there?
5 pi over 12 is not on our unit circle, right? We don't have it written down anyways. So that means we don't know its ordered pair. But it tells me over here that instead of 5 pi over 12, I can use the fact that it's equal to pi over 6 plus pi over 4. So this is equivalent then to sine of pi over 6 plus pi over 4. And so now I have sine of two angles being added, so that's the sum of sines. This formula. So we know the sum of sines says that it's sine of alpha, cosine of beta, and then plus cosine of alpha, sine of beta. And so this is like that previous example that we worked just earlier. So I need my ordered pairs for my angles. So you get your ordered pairs for pi over 6 and pi over 4. Okay, so now that we've got our ordered pairs, we can go through and plug in. Remember, sine is which value, the x or the y? All right, so when I'm looking for sine of pi over 6, what's the y value for pi over 6? And what is cosine of pi over 4?
Square root of 2.
It's the x value, square root of 2 over 2, plus what's cosine of pi over 6?
3 over 2.
And what is sine of pi over... Oops, I put 6. That should be a 4.
Over 2.
Did y'all catch that? That should have been a 4.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, no, it's literally the same as what we've already done.
So we're going to multiply straight across. So 1 times the square root of 2 over 2 times 2. Again, multiply straight across. Square root of 3 times square root of 2 is square root of 6 over 2 times 2. And then combine your numerators over your common denominator. The radicals are not alike, so that is our simplified exact answer.
So